Name the type of the relationship shown by each scatter plot. It looks like peppers, so I'm going to write no correlation. This looks like it's going down, so it's a negative correlation. As car weight, so this is the car weight. As car weight increases, miles per gallon decrease. You have already seen this problem on one of your worksheets. And then the next one is a child's age and height. We're hoping that children grow where as they get older they get taller, so as age goes up, height goes up. So that is a positive correlation. I do know that some people stop growing at a certain time and it levels off, but we're talking about children, and most children do still keep growing. Students' hair color and the amount of chocolate eaten, you've seen this one. And if you think and if I made the comment, oh, you have blonde hair, you eat a lot of chocolate, and you think, you don't know that, then that is no correlation, because the color of your hair has nothing to do with the amount of chocolate you eat. The number of hours studied and test scores. Typically, if you study more, your grade goes up. So the study increases, your score increases. Yes, I know some people don't study at all and they do well, and some study a lot and still do poorly. But on overall, as you study more, your score goes up. The number of miles driven and the amount of gas. So as my miles go up, so I'm farther away from home, the gas goes down because I'm using it, the amount of gas, and therefore that's a negative correlation. Okay, next one. It says the data below shows the average test scores in California on standardized reading and math scores for 8 years. Create a scatter plot to display and draw a trend line. So one of the things is I'm going to show you is this is only by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's actually 4, but then this is 10 and this is 10. So I'm assuming that this bottom line is 36. It's 36 right here. And so I'm going to use this line as a 36. So in 92, it was 32, 38, and 38. So it would be here. And then 40 and 39, 40 and 39. And then 50 and 55. 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 48, 48. That is not 48, 48. That is 48, 48. My apologies. This one shouldn't be there. I'm going to blacken that back up. That one's not there. 39 and 46. So 39. And you will have to make a scatter plot on your test. So make sure you know how to plot stuff. Telling you everything that's going to be on your test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 45, and 50. And 42 and 45. And then 40 and 47. And there is a trend line like this. And so what kind of relationship is it? It is a positive correlation. Okay. Carpenter recorded the amount of money he earned for different jobs and the amount of time he spent on each job. Draw a trend line, which I did, based on the data which best represents the amount of money the carpenter would earn. It took 8 days to complete. So I'm going to go from 8 up to the trend line, across, and I will say $2,100. Here's another one. The table shows softball results. Use the data to make a scatter plot. Title, label, and scale. Is there a positive, negative, draw, or no correlation? Draw a trend line. So, runs per hits. It's my title. And that's easy. I'm going to take my Y value and put a per in between that. So runs per hits. This is my runs. This is my hits. And I'm going to go by ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't have anything after 12. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I didn't put every digit down there because it would be too crowded. So 8 hits got me 6 runs. 7 hits got me 6 runs. 4 hits got me 2 runs. 11 hits got me 9 hits. Oops, 9 runs. 2 got me 1. 8. Oof. 8 got me 8 in another game. 5 got me 4. And 1 got me 0. Oops. 1 got me 0. And so let's see. I'm going to reread my question, make sure I did everything. Use the data to make a scatter plot. Did that. Title. Did that. Label. Did my X and Y axis. Scale. Got all my numbers. I need to answer. Positive, negative, or no correlation. That looks like a pretty, looks like a trend line. And so therefore it is a positive correlation. And I'm going to stop there. Nope, I'm going to go to the next one. Coaches of group debate teams answered surveys about hours of debate team practice and number of team wins. Graph shows the results. Draw a trend line. What type of association is shown in the scatter plot? Positive. Positive correlation. Based on the results, if a team practices 6 hours per next week's season, so here's the 6, 4, 5, 6, here's 6, which is the best estimate of the number of debates that the debate team can expect to win? And so I go up to 6, and that is 16, 18, 20, 22. 22 debates. So what I did is I went from the 6 up to the trend line and across. And so it could be 22 or 23 debates. Either one. And that is page 2 I'm going to do number 18 by itself in a separate video all by itself. So for right now, I'm going to skip it. So I will come back to it at a later time.